on any given afternoon. You can find my mom out here. There's always something that needs maintenance. Maanta maxaa jira?
Ugu fiilkan soo ka dusha ayaa soo celinaya in dul saaraya birtan gaariga harsado inuu hareeyo.
Because harkii baa ka wada dhamaaday. Nice. More photo shoots for me. So beautiful, even right here. These are the graves. So these days we've been doing a lot of maintenance because we're leaving just for a short trip. I'll take you guys with me, of course. But anyways, idinka ma hor tagayo maxay yiraahdaan hooyo kama hanaga degdegin. I'll tell you guys about it in another vlog, but right now we're just doing garden updates, so we'll show you guys all the different things that we do to maintain our beautiful yard. It's not looking so beautiful. It's still beautiful. It's just a bit bare. It's a bit empty and dry. Wow, this is so beautiful right now. Let me run away though before it stings me. I'm like a giant bug fraidy cat today in this episode, but that's the reality. Living and loving this motherland, but not liking all the bugs. I mean, these are the benefits and the glory of having a natural garden, but oh, that's a very dirty car. Okay, you're welcome in advance because we just got the best hack to solve your ant problem in your garden. I know everyone has this problem in their garden. There's white stuff growing on your plants, right? Let me show you one. We have the same issue. We've had this problem for years. This is our zaytun, our guava, and it like can't even live its best life because of, jeez, aphids. Now all you gotta do, I know cid walba inay dhibayaan, but guess what? Nin Cabdirashiid la yiraahdo ayaa helay solution. Wixii arrinkan lagu xalin lahaa haddaan idin sheegi. Saliid cadday. Yeah. So simple. Waa very easy. Saliid cadday unbaad burush ku marin inta hoose. Now you're good. Guys, honestly, we just found out the coolest hack and it's so easy. So easy. It's just cooking oil. This is going to save you guys all your ant problems in your house. Literally cooking oil in your kitchen. It's totally organic. No more ants. Say goodbye to your ant problem. Even the ones that are up there? So we were making space for the lemon and dragging the bougainville over to make proper shade. So it'll grow in this direction now, huh? Good. And then the grapes, they'll fill in from here. Yeah. Already at this age?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This guy should be trained to go up there. Okay. Tender kiisa lagu dudubaysa.
So we're doing a lot of weeding, lots of weeding. We've got these overgrown garawa. It's called, there's a technical name, I'll just write it here for you guys. But it's gonna overtake our house and you get really good feed for animals. All of that, goats and, not goats, camels like it. Camel likes it. So we're just gonna finish. It has the funniest name. I can never remember it. That one needs a haircut, huh?
No, it gives you lemonade.
That's true. It also stabs me in the head every morning. But anyways, so we'll just get to work, do all our trimming today. This is our irrigation tank that's set up just for plants, water for the plants. It's finally empty, so we're just gonna do a little cleanup job. And I need space to reach up there. So let's do this. There it is, all this feed for camel neighbors. Look at that. We're not sure if the sheep want to eat it. We know camels love it, but let's have a test.
Why not?
Oh my god! Ano yan? Why? Ano yan? There's a lesson to be told, huh? Garanwe, guys. Sorry to disturb you.
This thing's about to give birth, okay?
Mama's compost. It's ready for turning.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh!
See the black soil?
Pure soil! Wow.
That's the black soil that need to go to the plants. Okay?
So cool. So this is actually used as like a proper oven back in the days. Mom's gonna bring it back to life. We did use it for compost, but now Mom wants her oven back. Tenar balirada.
Ah.
So you're digging a hole here instead?
Ah. Oven pa samaysanaya kaasaan ku ridaya. Then oven buu noqonaya. Moofa macaan iyo hilib macaan baa laga soo saaraya.
Yes, Hanid.
Xaniid.
Show you the results someday of our future
Oh, halkan wuxuu ahaa meelan
meat oven.
compost ku shubay bay ahayd halka qodeed. Ciideeda si umadooday soo ma?
Yeah.
Maskana soo eriyaday saamiye.
Minor setback. I thought it was a worm, but no, you thought it was a worm. I'm convinced it's a snake.
Snaag intaa uga dheer yahay.
It's growing. It's gonna get there soon. New spot, new location.
Yeah.
New location, Marka.
Maybe Abdullah sugayna ha noo qoday.
Our uncle. He can get rid of the snake. Maswa sama. It was a snake. So anyway, back to some peaceful garden work for now. I can't even deal. Our garden needs so much help, we've neglected it. So today's a big garden maintenance day. Okay, I'm gonna roll it in. There it is. Hanid, coming soon.
After cleaning.
Yeah.
Please protect. Coin is compost.
So you're just taking the top half off?
Corn and decomposed grain. And this not supposed to be there.
Ew, I see so many things I don't like.
Well, compost, no one likes it. Raw food, no one likes it.
This is not the vlog for me, Hoy. There are more things coming out of this compost that I don't like. I might come back and help later. This is vloggable. Couldn't handle it before. Could not.
There's the soil.
Wow.
Okay,
Wow.
let's go put it to the blend.
Okay.
Wait.
Some for you. A little bit for you. Peat moss who? Make your own soil. Build your own soil. To you by Hoy though, because I had nothing to do with this. Okay, I said fi'l because I'm actually tutoring English right now, and my translations in Somali, I learned that a verb, an action word, is fi'l. So let's see the fi'l, let's see the action of this compost.
It's better than Liverpool.
Better than Digo manure. This one gave so much growth in the last week. These ones, I gotta show you guys a clip from like a couple months ago where we had so many cute grapes growing on here, but it was short-lived, so I'd like to see a bit more. We got our grapes going, guys. Kan iyo cunkan. Kana la cunay. Try this one. There was actually a big hammer fiasco going on here. So many people that come keep telling Hoya like these trees need to be released from the tiles that they're in. So mom finally gave up and took a hammer to the tiles. And it did not do harm. All that was fresh new growth from just expanding that little section of tile. This is supposed to be a orange tree. It's just been here for like 6 years now. Inshallah, we can see some seeds soon. It's on its 4th year. What's next on the list? Bun kan wili weeyaan soo ma? Bun.
Bun haduu yellow soo noqon rabaa. Haduu bilaabayaan color change.
You see any?
Right here behind. Haduu soo bilaabaya, okay?
Okay. This is another day maintenance.
Just checking how so galay. Waxaan oo dhan timaha loo jaray u baahan yihiin oo la gaagaabiyo. Marka maalin kale aan soo galinaa. Gamta ka gurina. Maintenance do.
Next vlog coming soon. For now, lemonade no so sar. Yeah. MashaAllah.
Lemonade and moringa. Moringa iyo lemonade ba juice ka sameeyay.
Clip.
Moringa leaves. Geedkan waxa la yiraahdaa moringa. wuxuu leeyahay fitamiinada oo dhan wax ka maqan ma jiraan. Any vitamin kasta oo la sheego geedkaas uu ku dhan yahay. Moringa la yiraahdaa xaafado badan buu ka baxaa. Sharaabkaaga un badow laamood ku darsanaysa. It's all natural. It came from my garden. The habhab, the orange, the lane, and lemon, habhab, mint, all grown and homegrown. And moringa, it grows in my garden also. It's all the vitamins you're looking for is in moringa. Google it. Vitamin iyo dhan baa ku jira. laga bilaabo maringa guri walba uu ka baxaa fitamiin ka maqan kuma jiro xabxabkii gurigaaga kaaga baxay liintii gurigaaga kaaga baxday aad ku beeratay iyo wixii aad dibadda ka soo iibin lahayd oo gidi aad gurigaaga ku beerato home grown baa la yiraahdaa sharaabkaas aad la soo baxday Barcelona bari ka dalbanay sharaab natural ah oo dhir un ka samaysan waaba isagii aan Barcelona ka cabay laftigiisa weeyaan wax ay ku kala duwan yihiin male laakiin waxay ku kala duwan yihiin markan aniga gacantayda ku samaystay ku beertay ku shiitay ku cabaya gurigayga hay imagine.
No, that's a huge accomplishment, man. This is delicious. Like your secret recipe, but now we exposed it, so you're welcome. قطرة نعناع really added a whole nother level.
Yes.
MashaAllah, alhamdulillah. If you guys like content like this, please waxaan kaa codsanaynaa inaad like noo saartid, inaad
Subscribe kana ku dartaan
meesha cas cadeeya.